Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which should be in the software information, and as you can see, it is right here. All we have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step, and here we've got the information that the developer mode has been enabled. So we can go back to the general settings, and right under About Phone we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, we've got a lot of options. For example, we can show visual feedback for tabs, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth, we've got system tracing, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of cool options to customize. And in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switch on it and it will be activated immediately. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, just tap on the switcher on the top, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive, you cannot customize them, and after getting back, the developer options simply disappear from the general settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.